For occasion, and it's a long cherished wish to all of us that we should have one flight from Rajahmundry to Tirupati. It caters the services of all the pilgrims who are trying to go to Tirupati in time and have Lord Venkateswara Swami darshan. And we especially congratulate and extend our warm greetings to Sri Ram Mohan Naidu Garu, who has been trying very well to connect air connectivity to entire other places of the country. So you are being the civil aviation minister of central government, to all of us that you have been working wonderfully for the air connectivity, and we especially thank our MP Garu, who has been striving hard for connecting the Rajahmundry airport with other airports, and we are really very happy that Tirupati Airlines are now it is very much required by all the people in and around Rajahmundry. Not only in this particular place, but all the places nearby districts are very much interested to have a flight to Tirupati, and now it has come to reality. Thank you very much, madam. You have taken very much interest in developing this particular sector, and thank you very much from all the people who have been here. And really, under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister, the connectivity, main thing is that for tourism or some other development, the connectivity is more required. So now we have got good connectivity, railway connectivity is there, waterways connectivity is there, and ultimately we are having very good airways connectivity also. So we are thankful to the central government as well as our state chief minister, dynamic leader and great visionary of India, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and our dynamic leader, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, deputy chief minister, who have been trying hard to develop Andhra Pradesh in a very bigger way, and thanks for the central government for extending your support to Andhra Pradesh.